Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow Siri and Search to look for voice memos, content in the app on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, we will go down and tap on Voice Memos. Then in here, tap on Siri and Search. Now at the top here, there is Learn from this app. You can turn it on or off, and this will allow Siri to learn from how you use Voice Memo to make suggestions across the app. Now there is also while searching. In here you can choose to show or hide app in search or show content in search. And at the bottom here is a suggestions section where you can allow suggestions of voice memos on the home screen, in app, or in notifications. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.